Right now, the radar is sweeping around fairly quiet for the southwest Florida coastline. Before sunrise this morning, though, quite the light display due to a thunderstorm that's about 40 miles off the coast of Venice, and it's just been kind of drifting there slowly to the southwest, staying away from the coastline. Now, the rest of us are dry. All the green you're seeing is false return. We had one shower pick up between Blind Pass and Captiva and drip to the south well early before sunrise between 5 and 6. And now we're left with dry conditions. That was not the case late yesterday. Matter of fact, southern Collier County, you see the Doppler radar estimates anywhere from 2.5 to almost 3 inches of rain on the turn of I-75 moving northbound there towards the county line. Now officially at Page Field, 0, but look at Naples, a little over 1.5 inches, and that was about an inch shy of a record of 2.57 going back to 2013. Now this morning our temperatures are warm along the coast. We're in the low 80s and then mid 70s as you work your way inland. 74 Clewiston, 75 Moorhaven, where the dew point values still very high. Our winds are light, but an overall easterly flow will push showers and thunderstorms back along our coast here today. And with our temperatures continuing to maintain themselves in the mid 90s, you may think, are we going to see another day here of tying and breaking records? The answer, no. Our record on the state's 97, going back to 1996. So we'll be a few degrees shy of that. Now your forecast for today does show those showers and thunderstorms between the lake and I-75, but watch what happens here tomorrow. Our flow is going to start to come out of the southwest. That means earlier arrival of showers and thunderstorms, and that will keep our temperatures a little cooler and also keep the showers and storms going as late as 9 o'clock. And a very similar forecast here for Friday. You can see that moisture just pooling in from the Gulf of Mexico. A little closer look at this afternoon. Right there, 7 o'clock, and you see the strongest thunderstorms developing here in town and then dying out after 10. But tomorrow there's a change, and as early as 1, 2 o'clock, we'll see some of those thunderstorms develop and quickly move inland. In the tropics, we've got 2 hurricanes. Hurricane Danielle with winds of 80 miles per hour continuing to move northeast at 14 in the northern Atlantic. Over the days ahead, it's going to do a little loop here and eventually a remnant low heading over towards Portugal and Spain. This is on Monday of next week. One closer to home is Hurricane Earl. Winds of 80 miles per hour right now, and the movement north, sparing the Turks and Caicos, the Bahamas from any type of direct impacts here. But Bermuda is going to get really close to the season's first major hurricane. That will happen on Friday, as the storm is expected to strengthen pretty quickly as it moves northbound. 2 other areas the National Hurricane Center is watching. We'll start with the area in orange. This one has a 60% chance of developing over the next 5 days. Still a long ways off, and we're to that time of year where now we're watching these waves come off the coast of Africa. The one that's getting ready to emerge over the Atlantic has a 20% chance in the days ahead. Let's get you over to the 7-day. No local impacts here from the tropics, just our tropical moisture that'll lead to high chances of rain. Our rain chances as high as 80 to 90% here as we wrap up the work week.